Feel the force. As Guardforce AI rolls out its AI agent platform and robotics as a service operations in Thailand, as part of its efforts to integrate AI and robotics into a unified ecosystem. The platform is powered by the company's Intelligent Cloud Platform, ICP, which connects AI agents and robotics to enhance experiences across events and travel. At the same time, Guardforce AI's Wishnote is gaining traction in Thailand's tourism and event sectors, having secured nearly 100 contracted events. Wishnote functions as an interactive event hub, handling check-ins, guest engagement, and live photo sharing, while integrating with DVGO, the company's AI-powered travel assistant. DVGO Beta 2.0, a significant upgrade to Guardforce AI's travel planning AI agent, also marks a milestone in the company's AI-first product strategy. DVGO Beta 2.0 enhances travel advisor workflows by providing intelligent, real-time recommendations, helping travel professionals better understand client preferences and adjust itineraries. The platform dynamically generates personalized travel plans, cutting planning time from days to minutes. Guardforce AI is also launching an ambassador program to recruit 50 travel advisors to refine and co-create the platform. According to Guardforce AI's chairwoman and CEO, Lei Olivia Wang, these advancements demonstrate the seamless connection between AI and human experiences. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.